Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be using Glitterbels Tiffany Teal again on another set. The last time I used it, it was on myself. So this time I thought I would create a nice spring sort of summery set for you today. So if you are one of my regular viewers, welcome back, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. So I hope everybody is keeping well. I know our lockdown has been extended. But if you are at home and you're able to enjoy the good weather, at least that's one positive. But I am hoping that we get back to normality sometime soon. So I'm starting out on the little finger by laying down Tiffany Teal to the free edge, and I'm just going to feather that up to the nail bed area, and I'm going to do an ombre with this nail with pink Picture Bell cover. So all the acrylics I'm using today are from Glitterbels, and it's one of my favourite brands. I've used many over the years, but I just absolutely love Glitterbels. So this is Picture Bell cover. It's one of their core powders, and I thought I would use it on this set just because I wanted to do an ombre, and I wanted to go for more peachy tones rather than pinky tones with this set. So I'm now getting in with the Snowdrops White, and I'm doing like little faint marble on the nails, and I will go in and put in some broken gold, which is one of my favourite Glitterbels products of all time. I absolutely love broken gold, and I think I actually add some of the Fairy Crush on this as well. Yep, so that's the Fairy Crush I'm adding at the minute. This one it's a lovely iridescent glitter that goes perfect with the Tiffany Teal. And this is the broken gold. Oh, it's amazing. I love this. This is my favourite. I use it in so many sets of nails. Oh, I love it. I've went on to the pointer finger instead of going to the next nail beside the little one, because this one is also another ombre, so I wanted to get both of the ombres done and then I can move on to the rest of the nails. So I like to do each nail different than the others, so I'm not doing any white on this one, and the glitter and the broken gold, the Fairy Crush, sorry, and the broken gold are being laid on the nail in sort of like a snake shape. Onto the ring finger, and I'm going to do this one as a marble. So I'm going to be using the Tiffany Teal and the Snowdrops White, and I'm going to marble both of those together, and then I'll add some of the Fairy Crush and probably some of the Broken Gold as well. And again, I had to go in with some Broken Gold. I just love it. I just think it just goes with everything. Onto the middle finger, and I'm going in with Picture Bell cover, and I'm going to do an extended nail bed, and then on the rest of the nail I'll be using the Tiffany Teal, the Fairy Crush, and of course Broken Gold. Now that the extended nail bed acrylic has cured, I'm just going to file that into shape, and then I'll add the rest of the acrylic. I'm taking the Tiffany Teal and I'm just pressing it up against the wall of the extended nail bed, and then I'm just going to feather it down halfway down the rest of the tip. So because I put the Fairy Crush over a glass tip here, you can really get to see what the Fairy Crush is really like on its own, and just the difference when it's put over the Tiffany Teal, it really just comes to life. And of course I had to go in with some more Broken Gold. And because I've been working with coloured acrylic, they're not core powders, I'm going to go in with glass slippers and I'm going to cap all the nails. Now that they're all capped and cured, I'm going to go in and do my normal filing routine. As you can see, I started at the side walls and now I'm going into the lower arch and just making sure that they're nice and straight, and then I'll go to the free edge and make sure the free edge is nice and straight also. And I file around the cuticle area, making sure it's nice and flush, and all the time I'm trying to not go over the apex area because I want that to be the highest point of the nail. So I file the rest of the nail, get the shape first, and then I concentrate on the apex area. So you can see that I'm looking at the nail from all different angles. You know, I'm turning the finger around to see one side and then again on the other. It's just I want that nail to be completely symmetrical. So just before I apply my top coat, I'm going to go in with some crystal rhinestones and I'm just going to place them along the centre of the extended nail bed just to add a little bit of bling to the nails. I'm just using Glitterbels base glue just to attach all the crystals onto the nail, and then I'll go in with my top coat around the crystals, and that way they won't dull down with having top coat or anything put over them. So my favourite time, top coat time, and I always love the way the nails come to life when you put the top coat on, especially if you've been using glitter. And you can see with the middle finger here how I'm working around the crystals rather than going over them with the top coat. That way they'll keep their sparkle and their shine. And here's the finished set. So I hope you've enjoyed watching the video. If you have, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you can do so by hitting that little subscribe button below. And also hit the notification bell, and that way you won't miss any more of my videos. So if there is any, designs or anything that you'd like to see me do, why not put your comments below and I will try my best to do it for you. And I will see you all again in the next video. See you soon. Bye.